on Data Cloud. How to set up and start using Data Cloud. Alright, so you have decided to use Salesforce Data Cloud. But how you actually start using it? What needs to be set up first? Let me walk you through the setup process step by step in a way that it's easy for you to understand even if you are new to this. Give access to the right people before anything else. You need to decide who will manage and use Data Cloud in your company. In Salesforce, this is done by assigning special permission to your admin or person who will handle Data Cloud. Think of it like giving someone a key to a new classroom. You can't enter and use the tool unless you have access. So, here you update your Salesforce admin user and give them Data Cloud admin role so that they can set up everything else. Link to complete roles and permission in Data Cloud can be found in the description. Activate the Data Cloud app. Now it's time to turn on Data Cloud in your Salesforce account. You'll go to the setup area, just like settings in your phone, and click on Get Started under Data Cloud. It's like installing the new app. First, you have to turn it on before you start using its features. Create user profile for Data Cloud. Every person who will use Data Cloud, maybe someone in the marketing or IT, needs a profile with access to the right features. Here, you create a new user profile by copying an existing one or making small changes into it, like choosing Data Cloud as the default app for that user. Think of this as creating a new user login for your system, where you can control what they can and they can't see or do. Add users and assign access. Once the user profile is ready, you can add users and give them access rights known as permissions sets in Salesforce. Just like assigning roles to a group project, one person handles research, another makes the slides, and someone else presents it. Everyone gets a job based on their roles. Work with experts to set it up. Finally, you'll usually work with an implementation partner or someone who knows Salesforce well. To do the deeper setup work, this includes connecting your data sources, bringing data into the system, setting rules for matching and unifying data, defining customer groups, setting up automated actions. This is like hiring an electrician to set up your home theater. You have the system, but they will make sure it works perfectly. Now here's the quick recap. To start using Data Cloud, here is what you will do. Access to the right admin, turn on Data Cloud app, create users profiles for those who will work in it, add users and assign roles, get expert help to connect data, set up rules and activate features. Thank you for your time. See you in the next episode.